Hello class 8. Today we will continue with period of transition and the topic would be imperialism. So imperialism is the policy of establishing control over other countries by either conquering them by military force or by controlling the political or economic life of the country. So one of the prime example of imperialism is colonization. So colonization is the practice of establishing political control over the country and transforming it into colony so that it can be exploited economically. And what better example we can have than India. So we were ruled by the British Empire for almost 200 years approximately. So industrial revolution, the causes of imperialism. The industrial revolution caused a need for resource to fuel industrial production in Europe and the United States. So each and every country is not endowed with everything. All the natural resources are not with them. So they need to take help from other countries or to make a different approach. What better than imperialism? To rule them, to exploit them, right? So these resource was the African countries, Asian countries and Latin American countries. So these became the victim of imperialism. Okay, so they need fuel, they need raw materials and they need market. What better than this? Okay, these countries under these three continents. Now, causes of imperialism. Economic competition was between European nations. So who is much more powerful? So new markets need to be there. So they are having a large production, but they need a market to sell all these products and to become rich. So what better than the Asian, African, Latin American countries? So the need of European nation to add colonies to their empires measures of national greatness. Means if you have 20 colonies and the other person, British, is having 100, then who is powerful? Okay, so who will gain the fame? British Empire. So this was fame, name and all these things were there. Growing racism or belief that one race was superior to other. They were white people, we were black people. So white is more beautiful and blessed than the black ones. This was created by the Europeans because they were more technologically advanced. Another reason, they say that we are more advanced than these countries like African, Latin American and the Asian countries. So we are much more powerful and we are far more superior than you. Many European and American felt that they had the right to dominate the people of Asia, Africa and Latin America. Social Darwinism, the idea that those who were fittest for survival and success were superior to others. Have you heard about Darwin's theory, survival of the fittest? So they're trying to imply here, if I am superior, I will survive, and if you are inferior, you won't survive this competition. So need of Christianization. So they wanted to spread Christianity in Asia and Africa. Need to civilize, means whatever they are following is much civilized way than what we are doing. So we are civilized and they are not. Like that kind of temperament was there. So imperialism in 1914 extended to these very areas. You can see. So France was here. They were having colonies here. Germany in the green part you can see. The red part is the Denmark. So Great Britain, peach one. So you can see majority is in peach. So that speaks a lot.